Get a life. Go out and do something do something good for somebody. Don't harass and waste their time.
From your Cape Coral News team, a mystery caller is harassing a business on Skyline Boulevard, and not just with a few phone calls, hundreds of calls a week targeting employees at AutoZone. Now, police have launched an investigation.
Employees there tell NBC2's Delia D'Ambra they're getting more than 70 calls a day, and it's keeping them from doing their jobs.
What's happening at AutoZone, excuse me, hello, is this very thing. Disruption from phone call after phone call at the store. Staff say they've gotten so fed up with this nonsense that they actually called the cops.
It's constant, relentless. Phones ringing every day at AutoZone on Skyline Boulevard.
If you're working, you have to answer it.
When employees pick up, they say the woman on the other end breathes heavily.
Hey, it's me again.
Knows their personal information.
I know everyone that works there, including you.
And harasses them nonstop.
I'd really be keeping an eye out.
Customers hate it for the store.
They're nice people here. They're very polite.
And friendly staff they say don't deserve the disruptions.
Leave them alone.
I think it's a sick person.
Cape Coral police reports show the two numbers calling the store. So we called them to see who would pick up.
The TextNow subscriber you were trying to reach is not available.
So that number immediately went dead. It doesn't even go through.
Detectives are looking into the case to see if they can trace the person behind the anonymous annoyance.
Those individuals call from a certain phone number and they can be tracked and traced very easily.
Making harassing phone calls to anyone or any business to the point where you disrupt their lives is an actual crime. The person in this AutoZone case could face real jail time for the misdemeanor. In Cape Coral, Delia D'Ambra, NBC2.